So this is a GMC Canyon. It's a four-door 2006, and for years I've had an issue where I go to start it, it won't start, it sounds like it's not getting any spark, and I gotta wait for 10 minutes until I can start it. Every time it's 10 minutes. So what happens is it gets locked. If you look, there is a lock pad right there that stays on. You try to start it and it won't start. The easy fix for that, you put your key in, you turn the ignition on, and just wait for a minute. Now, as soon as that went away is when you're able to start it. So you go to start your truck, it won't start. You wait 10 minutes. You don't have to do that. You just put your key in, turn the ignition on to there. You don't start it. You wait for that to go away. Starts right up. Easy fix. Thanks for watching.